Hello, friend.
Hello everyone, I am Tulsi and today we were diving into the chapter 2 of C programming language, instructions and operators. Why we late? Let's get started. Today we are diving into the world of C programming. Whether you are a beginner or are looking to sharpen your skills, this video for you will break down in the second chapter statements in the program. So, as we already discussed statements, if any programming consisting of set of instructions or a line of code, we call it as instructions. These instructions tells something to do, tells something to the compiler to do something. So, there is a instructions is classified in three types, that is uh, type type declaration, arithmetic instructions and control instructions. All these things we will discuss in this video clearly. So, type declaration and arithmetic instruction and control instruction all we discuss clearly in this chapter. So, why we late? Before going to video, please like this video. Now, we will see the type declaration. So, type declaration is nothing but the name itself say that what type of variable you are going to store your value in memory. So, that means here see int x is there, character c is there. So, that but the type of the type of the variable is different, right. So, x c is there, but integer type it will store the integer values only, characters type it will store the character only, specified allocated memory. Now, this is the this is a declare a variable before going to use it. It's just like a rule we have to remember. Whenever you are going to use a variable, first you have to declare the variable, otherwise you will get error. So, now int a equal to 22, then b equal to a, that means b holding the 22, then this b plus 1, that means b is 22 plus 1, that will get 23, it will be hold here. We will see how it will works. Then here integer type d holding 1 and the variable declared e. So, it is the variable declared e, it is a integer. We will see all these things with practically, then we get some idea. So, see now I explain here, I will take a program and then explain all these things with clearly, you get some idea. Int a equal to 22, int b equal to a. So, same thing what I did previous, I have explained here clearly. Now, what I do here, I take a one more variable and then do some operation. So, so both are the correct only. Now, I have take int c equal to b plus 1. Now, what I do here is I have to take another variable into d equal to 1 comma e, this all the scenarios are correct only. Okay. Now, we get some clarity, right. So, how to declare a variable. Now, coming to another arithmetic instructions, addition instruction clear, then arithmetic instructions. So, there as arithmetic instructions. So, here I will take so valid statements we will discuss in later also, no issue, but coming to here we are discussing the cap a cap c equal to a. That means a cap c means it will be a to the power of c equal to a. So, suppose take a example and then do, you will get a clarity. Suppose, so that one not supporting in the C language, but I need to find out the power. So, I have to use the power function is there, POW and 2 comma 3 I have to specify, then what it will get, 2 to the power of 3 equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8, we get 8. That we see the practically, we get some idea. I have to clear the all the things. And slash include stdio dot h, then int main, here what I have to take here, power method I have to use. For that I have to use slash include math dot h, so int power equal to POW, I have to use the function, then parenthesis I have to specify 2 comma 3, then printf percentile d power, run the code, then you get 8, right. So, what I did previously, it will be executed here. So, here is the some of the syntax we will see. So, both are correct only, int a equal to 22, int b equal to a, all these things correct only. Now, int main, so I have to take a int main, then I will see what I do here is, I have to take here int a equal to 22, int b equal to, int a equal to 22, int b equal to a, and int take another variable and store the value, right. Here int I have to take what is that, int d equal, int c equal to b plus or b into 2. So, what happened, if it is calculate, then a equal 22 into 2, that is a 44, right. So, I am trying to print that output, whether getting or not, we will see here, comma, it will holding the C 44, right. So, run the code, gcc file name dot c and dot slash a dot exe. So, now you see it will throw the on garbage value. Why we will debug this code? So, why? Because here I find in double quotation I have specified the C. So, that one I have to remove, then it will be get the required output. Now, run the code, then expecting output will be comes here. Now, we will see int I have to take a word is equal 22 and I have declared another variable int new int years equal to 2, then int current age I have to take int current age equal to int current age equal to the old age plus years. That means what happened here 22 plus 2, you will get the output 44. I am trying to print this output, you will get 44. No, I have get some, okay, now it is clear 44 I will get it right. So, not 44, 24 actually 22 plus 2. So, these are the some of the syntax in C language we will see here. This is the int a comma b comma c, a equal to b equal to c, I have to assign the value 1, this is the correct declaration. Then this is the same line declare and initialization is the wrong only. Now, we will see erase this code and then run the code, we will get some clarity on that, whether it is I am able to declare same line or and assign the value, will it work or not, we will see. Int a comma b comma c I have declared. Then what to do now? Now, a equal to b equal to c equal to, I have assigned a value. Common value I have to assign, that means a it will belongs to 1 and b holding the 1 and c also holding the same value. Now, I am trying to print whether it is correct or not, see there is a 1 only reflecting. Now, trying to run the code gcc file name dot c, then dot slash a dot exe, you will see the output 1. So, if you have changed the variables whether a, b, c inside in trying to print, you will get the output. So, all these cases are correct only. Now, coming to we will see the coming back int x equal to y equal to z equal to 4, right. So, same line declaration and initialization done here. So, this is the wrong only. Okay. I am trying to print in the program also get same thing only. So, same line or else a single line will not allow the declaration and initialization, that we will see with the practically, then we get some clarity on that. Now, see take a program and erase this code, and I have to declare a comma b comma c equal to 4, and I mean a equal to b equal to c equal to 4. I have to declare the same thing. I am trying to print any one of the value, then it will get error. So, you automatically see red indicates that error, right. Now, here arithmetic instructions. So, we know from childhood onwards, we know the very well about the plus, minus, multiplication and division, right. All these things we will discuss here. So, here is a valid arithmetic instructions are there, and so which is a computer accepted ones and which is not computer accepted one also be there, that is a invalid, that we will discuss here. So, this is a plus b is there, a equal to b plus c, which is the correct one only. Why? Because LHS side, that means left hand side, it will take the considered single variable only. So, it is a correct only. Coming to a equal to b star c, this one also multiplication also correct and division also correct, but invalid statements. So, b plus c left hand side b plus c is there. So, it is a wrong only. Now, for that I have to take here one small power example what we did previously, same thing we will be discuss here with we will get some clarity. So, int b comma c, b equal to c equal to 1, int a equal to b plus c, which is correct only. Now, I found, so b c both are same only, right, which holding the 1 only. So, now you get some idea where it will get a power means. So, math dot h it will be considered. See the practically. So, here I have to take a one program. Int a equal to b equal to 1, that means same value assign both variables in same line. When I declare like this, get it some error. So, that why it will not be allow like that. So, I have to declare the variable first, say int a or else int b comma c, then b equal to c equal to 1, which will work. Okay. B equal to c equal to whatever it may be 1 or 2, that is your choice. Then int power equal to pow, pow is a method we already discussed, b comma c, print percentile d comma power, then run the code, you will get the 2 to the power of 2, then it is a 4, right, it will get it here. So, now coming to here, this is the program, right. So, now arithmetic instructions. So, if any integer operation integer, so it will gives integer only. Okay. But coming to if we do integer float, so here is a integer, here is a integer, right. So, you will get obviously integer only. So, if you do some operation between integer you get integer only, that you have to remember. Okay. Now, coming to integer and float. So, integer is a small value, float it is a decimal value. So, it obviously storing is need some more space. So, obviously smaller value move to bigger value, right. Smaller value keep inside the bigger value. So, that means, so it will consider float only. So, float obviously float only. So, conversions is two types. So, for this all these things there is a conversions also two types, one is a implicit conversion, another one is explicit conversion. Implicit conversion will take care by the compiler while executing the program. Explicit conversion will take care by the programmer. Okay. Now we will see take some example and we will discuss, then we get some idea on that. So, now arithmetic instructions and okay. Now, we will see some implicit expression with the example, you get some idea, first of all clarify that one. Okay, take a program and then erase it and you will wait for some time because you have to remove all the things, and then I have to take int x equal to something value 2 point double 2 point, I have take some bigger number, and then int y equal to int of x int So, int we will keep it in the parenthesis and then x, then trying to print y. I am trying to print y. What you expecting the output? This 999 after decimal the value 99999 it will be remove and then it, gives the 2 value, but not round here. Okay. That you have to remember here. Okay. But not round here. See, you get the output only 2. Most of the program think that it will be 2.999 means what we get the expecting output. So, obviously 3. So, it is not round here, that is a simple logic we will be remember here. Now, friends, see coming back, then implicit and explicit conversion we will discuss. Then here then coming to the arithmetic instructions. Okay. These arithmetic instructions are operator precedence is followed by this operator precedence. So, operator precedence is nothing but the priority. Okay. So, it will follow the rules BODMAS. Okay. So, BODMAS rules it will follow, then high priority will be obviously division, multiplication and modulus and plus minus next priority. Then coming to third priority is equality. Okay. Here we will discuss, we will explain this one, x is equal to 4 plus 9 into 10, that means 94 it will get. Why high priority is multiplication. So, 10 into 9 90 plus 4 94 you will get it. So, associative precedence is there. First we will see this one with example, we will get some clarity, then friends we will move for the next line. Suppose I have to take a printf, before printf I have to just cross check and come to here and then take a int x I have to declare, int x, then what I have to do here, int x equal to 90, right, 90 plus 3 into 1 and into 2 1. So, we will check with go back and then check with exactly. So, 4 plus 9 into 10, then you can run the code. So, it will multiply 9 into 10 90 plus 4 94, you will get it right. Try to run the code. Then you will get no, it is a previous updation only taking. Now, I have to save the file and then run the file, then only you will get output. So, now I am going to here and save the file and coming here rerun the code, gcc file name demo.c. See 94 you will get the output. Now, coming to here, so high priority BODMAS rule, if associative precedence is there. Associative precedence means, so when you find that associative, so there is a star is there, it is star is there. So, both stars are, so star means into, so same line there is a into is there, then what we have to do here is it will follow the left to right calculate. So, that means So 12 by 6 into 2, then 4 it will get, right. Now we will see this one for practically we get some more clarity on this one. X equal to 4, then come to the code. Here I have to take the value 4 into 3 slash, that means black slash 6 into 2, that one I have to write it here. Whenever you have to specify like this, check, I am checking with exactly what it will get. Go back and see run the code, you will get output 4. So, what we discussed in the previous with manually, the programmatically getting value and manually calculated value, both are the same only. So, see now coming back to here and then coming back to the then the lowest priority always be equal only, that we have to remember. Okay, here the lowest priority will always be equal only, that we have to remember. All these three are the, that is the first one, then this is second one, this is the third one. All these three are the important arithmetic instructions. Now, coming to another topic, we will discuss about some more clarity on this topic. This one also same. So, you have to observe here. So, the same precedence, but it will calculate left to right. 10 minus 6, that is 4 only. We will see this one also for practically, we will get some more clarity on this one. Take a Visual Studio code and write the code here and erase this code. 5 into 2 minus 5 into 2 minus, you will get 2 into 3. Try to print x. You will get so calculate. So, when you specify this BODMAS rules, so bracket it will comes first. So, it will 1 into 5, that is 15, it will get, right, 5 into 3 15. So, that will get it here. Then coming to here, all these three steps we will be discussed. Then control instructions. There is a we already learned a sequence of control, sequence control and decision control and loop control and case control. So, then decision control will coming chapter, we will discuss all these things. One is decision control, ILSEF, and so what is the sequence control, we will discuss, right. Any program consists of a set of code or set of line of code. The sequence we call it as a sequence control. Who will control? Here compiler will control. that means it will be execute step by step. So, then the operators, not operation, operators. So, operators, what type of operators is there? There is a arithmetic operator, relational operators, and then logical operator and bitwise operator and assignment operator and a ternary operator. All these are the main operators in the arithmetic operators. Plus, minus, slash, modulus will comes, and relation operators which tells the what type of relation is there in between. Then coming to bitwise operator, it will always consider zeros and ones, and logical operators. So, ampersand, and two pipeline, and pipeline indicates that or and not. Not represent whether it is a true gives false, false gives true. Ternary operator, based on the condition it will be operator, based on condition it will be work. So, now see relation operators. These are all the relation operators, double equal to and greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. These are the relational operators which tells the relation only. Okay. Then so, there is a, now we will see the logical operators. So, logical operators indicates that how it will be comes, and it will comes logical operator, and or it will comes logical operator, not it will comes logical operators. But here I have to take and operators and or operators. The truth table it will tells like this, which looks like this: T T, T F, F T, F F. Here I slide modification. We will see both are true, it will comes true. Both conditions, condition 1 and condition 2, both are true, only true, otherwise fail. So, T T, here I have slide modification T T, T F, F T, F F, that you have to correct it. Coming to OR operator, any one condition, condition 1 or condition 2. For example, I have two choice, one is a condition 1, another one is condition 2. If any one condition, if it is a true, then that will be, it will take the true. If both conditions fails, it will take fail only. So, these are the operator precedence, how it will be there. It looks like this. So, first priority not equal to, then second this is arithmetic operators, and then arithmetic operators will come, then third logical operators will follow likewise. Finally, it will comes for the pipe. Now, we will see some practical programs, variety of program to check if a number is divisible by 2 or not. This is a practical, you also can practice, and before going to practice you think. So, if any number modulo by 2, so modulo in the nothing, why you use modulo? So, modulo operator which will be written the remainder value. So, if the remainder is equal to 0, then it is a even number, or else, or it is other than the 0, it is a odd number. Now, I have to take a program and then see. I have to declare a number int num, then printf please enter the number, then whatever you are enter the number which will be scan and then store in address. So, address of num. Then coming to check the condition, if number by 2, that means modulo by 2 equal to 0, then you have to write the code printf, that is even number, that is even number. Else if it is not like that, that means it is not producing the, it is not equal to 0, then else printf odd number. Now, I am trying to run this program, clear the, come to terminal and gcc demo.c and dot slash a dot exe, then please enter the number total. Total is a even number. Now, I have to give other than the even number, I can rerun the code, then you will get it right. Now, coming to so another question. So, it is a very important question. So, if a is equal to I need to find out the whether I have to check are the following valid or not. So, through practically we will check, you will get some idea. I have deleted all the previous code and then write the code, required code int a equal to 8 cap a 8 cap 8 printf percentile d a. If I am trying to print, it will return some value. Run the code. Now, you get some value, it will throw some value. So, it is a valid one only, it is returning something. So, it is valid one only. So, here so 8 cap 8 it returns something. So, 8 cap 8 means actually 8 to the power of 8, right. So, whether it is valid or not means it will something is written to the program. So, it is valid only. So, now, we will check only valid or not, int x comma int y equal to x. So, the seeing itself, that is a it is a valid one only. Semicolon will terminate the line, right. So, it is valid only. Int main, I have take stars equal to character denotes a single quotation. So, I have to take here single character star as a symbol, then trying to print that star, it will print the star, right. Execute the program, then see there is a star, it will print. If I have to take number of stars, if you increase the number of stars, then run the code, rerun the code, I will get the here error. So, it is not a invalid, then we conclude that it is not a invalid one. Now, coming back and then check whether it is a correct or not. See here it is invalid only. So, all these things we will discuss. Now, the move to the another program. So, print 1 true 0 false. If it is a Sunday and operator, we are going to use snowing, print true. Okay. If Sunday is there, then as well as the snowing is there. If it Sunday is there, or operator we are going to use, and raining is there, print the true. So, we will check with the practically, then we will get a option, right. And operated, when the two conditions are true, then only true, remaining all fail, right. Coming to our conditions, if any one condition true, it will be true only. So, based on this condition, we have to assign the values zeros and ones, then check the condition, it will get it. But here then the C is like this, if you take any value or variable which lies between the 9 and 100, 9 and 100. So, x less than 100 and x smaller than 9. So, all these three scenarios we will see with practically, we will get some idea. Here is the previous code. So, take the hint is Sunday, int is Sunday equal to 1 and is snowing equal to 1, both are 1 I have to take. Why I have to take both are true, then it is true only, right. Is snowing and is Sunday, both are team 1 means it represents true, both are true, it will get true only. So, true in the sense of 1. Now, run the code, written 0 and run the code. Clear the previous terminal and now run the code, see the output D, it will be print. Why it will be print the D? To debug this code, we get somewhere mistake. So, that is why it will be, so percentage D missing. So, I have to give the percentage and rerun the code, then you see. So, now condition 1 true, condition 2 true. So, T it will be represent T only. So, T, that is why it will gives the 1 value. Now, check here the output also and then move to the coming back and then see what is the next, if Sunday is there and raining is there. So, true, any one is there, okay. So, I have to write the code, clear the is Sunday I have to take and is raining. So, is Sunday I have to consider it is a 0. So, because of my requirement I check with the OR operator, pipeline operator, whether working or not correct. Is raining, then OR operator is Sunday. Okay. So, if both any one is true, so it is true, right. Now, I have to give, it will gives the output 1, that means true only. So, you get some clarity, right? Right. Now, we will go coming back to the next question. We will see here x lies between lesser than 100 as well as lesser than 9. For that, I have to take it here a condition here, printf enter the number. So, I have to take int x and enter the number, then scanf, read the number, percentile d, comma, address of x. Now, you can clearly observe here now come to take one more variable x. Yeah, I have to take x and then take a printf percentile d and checking what I have to write here the condition 9 9 between x 900 in between x it will comes, but the check the condition how I have to write. So, if it is a I have to is percentage, then I will check it with so here is some getting some error. I need to remove that error. I have to forget the lesser than or greater than symbol, again it will getting error. Remove the text and then 9 I have to take. So, now you can run the code, you will get the output x. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.